So class number 10, is it? Okay. So as of now, we have seen here XML publisher registration steps, correct? By using, there is a method here that is called as a data template. Okay. We'll be able to recall like how many steps we performed as of now in this. So first step here is what it is. We created a data template. Then second one here is, so we have created data definition. Then followed by concurrent program. In the concurrent program, we have taken one existing executable. What is that? That's an xdottdxe. Then fourth one here is attached to request group. And fifth here, submit from responsibility. Then after that, save as write XML file. So till now it is a data model. It is data model. The next step is what it is. Seventh one is create RTF. RTF full form, you know, right, already. Then once you create RTF, what you have to do? We have to upload RTF into XML publisher. Ninth one is submitted. That's it. So these are all the steps we have performed here. Whoever practiced well, those people can easily recall. Correct? Now, next is here XML publisher development by using RDF method. So it's new for everyone. Don't feel that I'm newly joined today. Okay. You need to remember all the steps, whatever I'm performing. So first, we'll follow the same steps again, but slight variation will be there. Almost 9 points are there. 9 points again will perform in this method also, but with a slight variation. So first here is you have to go to report builder here. Okay. Nowadays, we are not using report builder for new reports, but definitely we should know here for modifications here. So click on this report builder. Now you need to build a new report manually here. Or if it is already existing, if you want to modify something, if you want to add something, then you can go with the open an existing report. But right now it is build a new report manually. Then click on SQL. So here is the place we have to keep your statement. So statement may be anything. It may be a sales order related or purchase order related or suppliers, customer, whatever it is. So last time we have developed, correct, data template. From that only I'll take a query. Okay. .xml file, wherever it is there, that we need to take. I think these are all output files. Somewhere here the file is there. Is also output. Or I can type directly. Okay. Sales order table, do you know? O2C, whoever practice can, you can easily answer. What is the table for sales order? OE order, letter solve, and then OE order, line solve. Join condition is header ID. And then OL dot header ID. If you want to add up customer name, there is another table. What is the table name? HZ parties, correct? And then customer number, if you want to add up, that is HZ. Most comfortable is Toad. Take this, go to Toad here. I'm adding one more table, that is HZ Cust accounts. Do you know the join between these two tables? Join between these two, party ID. So how like we can come to know party ID is the join here is, first we have to go to your application. So query development is very easy actually. As of now, you are not habituated, I know. but I'll give you assignments, some assignments today related to O2C. Yesterday also we have seen some sales order creation. We can go to order, management responsibility it is. Then after that, order returns, sales orders. If you don't know any customer, any sales order number, what we have to do? We have to press F11, then control F11. So it's a high level query it is. It will give you all the customers, all the sales orders. So if you wanted to know how many customers, how many sales orders are there, then you can go to view record last year. Click on this, continue to end, and you'll be able to see the number of records stored are available in this particular form. It is retrieving many records here. It may take time. If thousands of records, then it will take time. Meantime, what I'll do, I'll make a join first, then I'll show you, okay? Now, as of now, I made a join between these two tables. These are all equi-joins only. Equality operator I have used. Straightforward. The primary key of this particular table, whatever is there. You press F4 also, you can come to know the first column here. This header ID. Header ID is the join between these two tables. Same only I have added over here. Now next is the join here is what it is. Party table, party ID. Order table, header ID. Like that it is. Now HP dot party ID. HCA dot party ID. Now, for a particular sales order, if you want to make a join with a custom accounts, there is another join it is, that is sold to org ID. These are all fixed. That's why I also remembered very well. Sold, this is a cust account ID. Now you can easily add up party name. It's a small select statement it is, nothing complicated. Order number. So this query I'll take it, okay? Party name, order number, as well as if you want customer number also we can take it. Let's see here. Overall, these many customers are there. Okay. These many records are there. That's why in the application is taking a lot of time. Now it's stuck also. They will not be able to export all this. Less record we can do. Okay, I'll just open again application. Order returns and then sales orders. So if you don't want to query, we can create one sales order quickly also, not a problem. See, it's just hardly seconds job it is. Now, if you wanted to know order number, customer, these related tables, very easy, go to help and then record history. This view it is, at the end there is a underscore V. Take this view, go to Toad here, and then F4, function for we have to use. Then after that, script here. Whatever I prepared here, select column names, table names, joins. So everything will be available in this particular view only. So it's nothing new actually. Whatever I typed here, I have gathered from here only. See, order number is here. In the same way, header ID is also here. If you wanted to know the table name, then straight away go here down. You can see the tables. Here are the place. OE order headers, SZ parties, SZ cust accounts. And the joins also you will be able to see here only. This joins party ID. So whatever I typed here query, these are all available in this particular view only. So are you okay with this? So again, how to do? First, we'll go to first step is any form it is. You need to go to help, then record history, take the table name. Actually, it is not a table, it's a view. Take this particular view, go to Toad, and what you need to do, press F4, then where we need to go? Script here. So after that, you have to prepare by copy paste only. Initially, it may take time. So first we have to copy order number. Okay, F3 we have to press F3. So F3, after pressing F3, your order number is available into H. H is a table alias. Like for EMP, DEPT, you kept alias, right? For EMP, E, DEPT, T, like that. H is what it is. It's a alias, another name of a table. Now go to tables. Here is the place. OE order headers on. If you press F4, it will again open up. It's again a view. Again, you have to click on script here. You should see the base tables behind this. Click on script. I'll come down. So here is the place you can see OE order headers all. Always we have to use all table only. All means all operating units data, all branches data. Your company may have multiple branches. So all branches data will be available into a single table. So this is called as a multi-arc table it is. In Oracle applications terminology, it's a multi-arc table. Okay. So if you press F4 again, you can see it's a table. So by using this particular table, they made a view. So again, by using that particular view, there is another view here. So we can create a view on top of another view also. Correct? So now again, we'll show one more time. I need to display in the form of report all these three particular columns. One is order number, customer name, customer number. So I'll give you assignment. You need to display other columns as well. So you tell me first what you have to do. Go to help, record history, take this particular view, go to Toad, then press F4. First, we'll derive this column. This column, order number column. To know the column name where exactly it is stored, we have to go to help and then diagnostics examine. So to know the table name, we have to go to record history. And to know the column name, we have to go to examine here. See, examine is straight away showing. Now go to Toad here. First search column name we found already, right? Which column we are searching is order number. So this is just a header, view header it is. It's not an actual column. To know the actual column, what I have to do? F3. F3, which will help you to see the further values. Now take this h dot order number. Preparing a statement for you from scratch actually. Select class, we have to copy. Right now h dot order number. We don't need version number, we don't need all other values. There may be hundreds of columns, but we don't require all those. Okay. I'm preparing a, see, if you want to develop a report, query is required. That's why we are focusing on query first. I'll tell you all the steps again. First, what I need to do, select class. From class, where class. There will be other clauses. Do you remember what are the other clauses? Where class, after where, group by, those are all. We'll use slowly, okay? This is just a basic statement for time being. In the from class, we need to copy a table name. Go to Toad. This is the table it is. It is just a alias here. Another name of a table. H dot order number. Okay, order number is a column name. H is a table alias, but actual table we don't know. So we have to go down. You will have to tell me, like, I'll show you the list of tables from here. From here, H stands for what? See, this is ship SU, this ship from org. Like this, H we can see at the right hand side. So you tell me from 373 line by line, you have to observe because you are very beginner, right? Tell me H stands for what it is. Line by line, go. Nothing to worry. You have to read at least all these tables once. In which line we can see that H, this one, right? So this is the table we have to copy first in the from class. Copy paste only, it is nothing else. Now, column name, where we have seen column name, just control home again, control F, order number, F3. So this is the column name. Column names always available into here, select class. That's it. So what else we wanted again? Order number is over. Now next is customer number. This one. So customer number we have to check. Once you practice, you will get more interest on this. Customer number. This is a customer number, but this is not the actual column. It is just a alias for your column. F3. F3 again. Yeah, this is the number. Say your alias name is different, actual column is different. If you look at this, the first one is what it is, table alias, correct? Second one is actual column, and third one is column alias. Table alias, column alias. Alias is another name of a table or another name of a column. Copy this.
Yes, we will take the
Correct, correct. End of the column. No, that is a table alias. That's what. So this is table alias. This is actual column. For this, another name is column alias. Okay. Second column it is. So your work will be like this only daily. Okay. Query preparations. Once you practice all this, you can type also. In my case, I'll type directly. I will not come here, copy paste. These are all time waste for us. Now, as you are taking second column, first account is for what it is. You can go to Toad. Same story. You need to go to from class. Again, search from here. You search and let me know at which line number it is. Cust account is there. Cust account. Observe one by one. You notice the line number. 383, correct. Okay, copy this. Now join between H and cust account. So that we have to identify. Usually joins we can see into where class. Now go to where class. So from here onwards, you have to observe H and cust account. This H and OT, this is not the join. This is H and PL, this is not our join. You need to observe again and tell me what is the join. H and cust account, observe. You are seeing me actually instead of seeing query. Line numbers you can see here. Yeah, Lakshmi, చూడండి చెక్ చేయి. H and cust account. Quickly ఉండాలి. వన్ బై వన్ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి అంతే. ఇంకా not able to see this one, right? Like this it is. If you are not able to follow all this, we have other good approach also. So that is ETRM it is. ETRM, Electronic Technical Reference Manual it is. So, all the tables are located here only. You select. Then we can see here. HZ, cust accounts. Click on this. This is the table name. Click on this. You'll be able to see the primary key, cust account ID, and join between HZ parties and HZ cust account, that is party ID. So you have to follow here ETRM website it is. This is for us only, they have developed. So you no need to sign up with your Gmail and all. Earlier we had, but now no restrictions. Straight away you can access from ETRM website it is. Clear? Copy this. Go to Notepad. That's it. So this is the query. If you want to add one more table, that is what it is. HZ parties. HZ parties is for what it is? For party name. Party name is customer name all it is. HP. HP dot. Just before we have seen the join, correct? Join between HZ parties and HZ customer accounts is party ID. Okay. That's enough for today. Query preparation. Otherwise, you'll feel bored. See, alias names, you can take your own also. That's it, guys. So, any queries in this query development? So, take this query, go to Toad. You have to format this. It's not properly aligned right now. To format it, you can use Shift Control F. This is the formatting. So, it is properly formatted here. Correct? There is a formatter tool inside of this Toad. That's why it is formatted. Now, Control Enter. So it is not giving the data. The reason is we took a view. Definition wise, view doesn't hold data. So we have to take here underscore all. You can see the data now. So overall 46,000 sales orders are there in this particular system. Okay. Now go to our steps here. So we are going to develop a report, XML publisher report by using report builder. RDF is report definition file it is. So first step is what it is, query. Okay. And second step is RDF report development. This is the second step it is. Go to report builder and keep the query. Click on OK. So it will ask you to connect to the database here. To connect to the database, we have to, this DBS will give you database username password. In the office, you may see other username password, not apps. Click on connect. So this is the way we have to design a data model. We have seen right here. Data model. Data model will have a query. So if it is not appearing properly, you can zoom in here like this. Okay. And whatever you are seeing here, that is a query. This is the query. Q means query it is. Query, if you want to modify something, again you have to double click. And then you can modify whatever you wanted. You can include column names, table name, joins, whatever you can do it. So data model is enough here. Layout model we can take like earlier. Earlier we have taken a layout model, correct? So that is what is RTF, rich text format here. So here also data model, layout model is there. Here also layout model is there, but we are not using this. The reason is XML publisher will have a lot of advantages. Like we can export output into PDF, Excel, like PowerPoint, RTF and all. That's why we are not preferring this particular layout nowadays. Earlier they have used widely actually all this, but now we are not at all touching this layout model. Okay, data model is enough. Now go to file, save as. While saving, you should not use this JSP. You have to use here this one, that is RDF. RDF stands for yes, report definition file it is. That's a abbreviation for that. Now go to your folder. So here is the place we have to follow certain naming conventions. So the naming conventions document is there, right? Like last time also I showed you. Okay. This is a document. It's already there in your folder. There's a design and development standards. In every project, it is mandatory because the whole team has to follow same design and development standards, same naming conventions. Now we are talking about RDF report name. Okay, so by seeing this, you can understand here how the report is used here. Example also there here, see. It has 3 parts here. This is one part. And this is a second part, it is single name, but it contains 3 things here. Overall here, see. First one is what it is a custom. Custom means your client name. For which project you are working, the same short name you have to mention here. The second one is what it is a module. So you are developing in AR module or order management or purchase order. So we'll regularly work with 6-7 modules, not more than that. So module name we have to mention here. The next one is what it is, the rest of the portion here. That is a short description. So right now what we are working on a sales orders, correct? So by seeing this, we'll be able to tell me first client name, then module name, the next is purpose or description, whatever. Now tell me here which name I should use. Your client name. If you take any one of the resume, you can come to know the client name. I'll just show you. These are all previously placed candidates. I'm just taking one client. Okay, LP, liquidity premium engine. This is a client name. So you can take LPE. Okay, or else like financial UBS, Union Bank of Switzerland. These are all the client names. Straight away we can use it. Okay. WF, WLDS like that. Okay. This is a Wells Fargo company. So I'm taking here LPE. Okay. And what next? Module. In which module you are working right now? Order management, correct? So ONT or OM also you can take. Yes. The next, what are you displaying? Are you displaying prices, quantities, stock? Which one you are displaying here? Order details. Okay. Orders we can say. That's it. This is the name of your RDF. We can't say. So till now, what we did, we prepared a query, first step, and second step is RDF report development. And third is we have to keep that into server. Third step, move RDF to server. So server, which path? Let's say you've forgotten to move to server. Then your system only will tell you the path where we need to move the file. So right now I'm not moving. Okay. I wanted to generate an error. So based on that error, I'll move the RDF. So straight away, I can show you the path also. Like to connect to the server, we can use WinSAP. Okay. This is a WinSAP here. I connect it to the server, application server. Then go here. So here is the place, application server. There are two things here. One is application server, other one is database server. And here is the place, Oracle, Vision, file system. There are multiple file systems here. We have to use FS1 and then application. Here is the place, ONT. For order management, it is ONT. And then reports, US. So this is the place we have to move. Let's say I'm not moving to this. I'm just canceling this. Usually we have to keep the file over here in the server. If you don't keep, your system will give you the path. The third one is what it is, move RDF to the server. And fourth one, we have to create executable here. Executable we already gave here somewhere. The executable is XDO DTX. This is for data templates it is. But in this case, it is RDF. This is another method actually. So for another method, what you have to go to, if you want to register any program, straight away single responsibility. That is, you need to go to system administrator. This is the responsibility. System administrator, concurrent program. In the last time we have used define, now it is executable. So executable, there are many. If you are using any Unix program, then we can use host program. If it is Java, reports, PLSQL, we can use stored procedure. We'll use all almost in our course, except this Perl and Span. Almost all we'll use. So right now I have to use here this method. That is Oracle reports. What is your report name you have taken? If you don't mention report name, it will not be able to pick up that file. Correct? Now go here. Your file name. So where exactly I have saved, I've forgotten. Okay. So this name. This name we have to take. Take this executable module name, that's it. Any confusion on this? File name, which is available in the server, same I have used. And short name, executable name also same I have used. Copy paste, that's it. That's about the concurrent program. Now next step here is concurrent program. Same steps I am repeating here. Okay. Go to define here. So earlier I have used xdo but now I am using my own executable it is. This is because Oracle reports it is. And many people are forgetting to choose format here. Definitely you need to select format. If you don't select format, you will not be able to see the XML tags. It's mandatory. Okay. Now short name. Program name I mentioned here last time. Naming convention. I think you already worked, right? You'll be able to tell me the name. So we have to give first client name, then report number 2. Correct. Sales orders. Report. Okay. Then application name is order management. Style A4, anything. Save. If having parameters and all, we'll see later. Right now, I'm not using any parameter. So once you define a concurrent program, next is attach to your request group, submit from responsibility, save as .xml. At single go, we'll do all this. Okay. What is the request group name for order management? If you wanted to know request group for anything, we need to go to security, responsibility, request. If you know the name, you can go request, but we don't know the name, right? As of now, we have to go to define. That's it. You have to press down arrow so that you can see. So request group is what it is. OEM concurrent programs. If you are working for order management, this is a single group. Okay. For payables, we have seen, right? Last time. Do you remember what is the payables request group? Got it, right? For every module, one request group is there. Request group means like we are including all the programs into this particular group. It is. That's it. Okay. Now go to request. Tell me the name of the request group for order management. That is OEM concurrent. If you don't know full name, just put a percentage. It will give you like this. Okay. Then attach your program name. So what is your program name? LP is it, right? LP, I forgot actually. Save. Go to your step again. We have attached to your request group. Next, submit from responsibility. So from which responsibility I need to submit? Obviously, order management. Everyone is searching in system admin still. No, it will not appear. You need to go to order management. Go to view requests, single request. Then after that, you have to choose your program name, submit here. That's about this. Just one more step pending, we'll close it off, okay? Create RTF, upload RTF, and then you can submit it. Did you observe any difference between the previous method and this method? This one only. XDO DTXE, in this case, it is Oracle reports. Okay. You know why it is error? Because it is not able to find file name in the server. It will give you the path also. See, this path it has given. Straight away, you can copy this particular path. Go to WinSCP here. Control O, which is used to open a directory. Control O. The shortcuts you have to use always. That's it. Straight away, you can go to this particular path. And you can copy this, your file name. This one, right? Drag and drop. This is a file name. Now, if you submit it, it will generate the XML tags and it will be completed normal also. You can see view output. You know why it is list G order. It is generated XML tags, but it has not given anything. Correct? It has to give some column names, right? Still view is there. I'm not sure. Yeah, you know, right? There is a view. OE order headers is a view actually. We should take always table names only. Still, there is a way to get the data from these views. We will discuss. That's called as a user exit. We will see later. Now RDF is modified. Once you modify RDF, again what you have to do? We need to move to server. So it will be your repetitive work in the company. Don't feel that these are all very complicated, very easy actually. Now submit, you will be able to see the output here. Sometimes report will run half day also. At that time, you have to tune the queries. You need to use some performance tuning. That's another topic. Right now, it is running quickly. It will not take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's giving the tags here. Okay. It's still opening up. If you see at the bottom, it is still opening a page here. And you can see here the symbol also, that is done. Right? Done symbol, do you see? So successfully it is generated here. So once it is generated the tags, what will be a next step? You have to save this file, correct? Go to file, save as XML. I just saved as a .xml file. Okay. Next is create RTF. So how to create RTF? You need to go to start. Then there is a Word document. Add-ins, data, load XML data, and your file name. So once you load it, what will be your next step? Insert, wizard, next year, all next finish only. That's it. Your file is ready. So once your file is ready, what you have to do? PDF or HTML, XML, whatever it is. Let's say I'm using Excel. It is asking you to save as an RTF here. It is having huge data, maybe more than 40,000. That's why it is taking time. Otherwise, you can restrict it to a particular customer name or for particular sales outlets. Anyway, I'll like go to last one is what it is. Upload RTF. It's showing this output. This is the output here. So approximately 46,000 data is there in this. Upload RTF. Before RTF into template, we should create a data definition also here. Go to XML publisher. And data definition. We did not create a data definition as of now, correct? Create data definition. So this code must be equivalent to your program short name. So if you take any small letter in the concurrent program definition, then definitely it will fail. Go to your program, system administrator, your concurrent program define. This is the short name you have to take. Many people are taking short name is a small, so it will convert into character and you are copying and pasting over here. So it will not match. Definitely you have to copy paste only. Don't enter manually. So copy the short name, keep it over here. That is a join here. And order management. Apply. So here I'm not using data template because we are following opposite method. Next is template. Use all copy paste. Quickly we can restart, correct? Browse. Yes. Languages. English. Apply. That's it. Your registration is over. And very last step is we have to go to from which responsibility I need to submit? Order management only, because we gave access to, if you go and submit from payables or other modules, you will not be able to see that program at all. Right. Fine. That's it. Our report development as well as registration, everything is over now. So we have followed second method it is. First method is data template method. And second method is, that is RDF method. There is one more method also there, that is PLSQL, that we'll see later, maybe in the next class. Once it is completed normal, you can use control button and then view output it is. As a quick revision, will be able to tell me first step what we did, query, second report, third one is what it is, move to server, fourth we created, right, fifth one we created concurrent program. Next, sixth is attached to Right, correct. And seventh is submit from responsibility. And eighth one here is save as .xml file. Ninth is RTF. Correct, right. Now next is data definition. 11th one is here, template creation. 12th is submit. We have to do all this at least by till evening. You need to focus on this XML. Don't work on P2P, O2C, ISO, those are not required. Focus on fully XML only. And newly joiners also, don't worry what happened earlier. You focus on XML only. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. Let me see the output. Control button, we output. This is the output here. So it's just a 40 MB file, 50 MB file. Click on open and you'll be able to see the output in the server here. Query, you also need to practice or prepare, okay? Don't type simply by seeing the video, saying that hp.party name from no. You also need to do a copy paste. How I followed, the same way you need to follow. Okay? Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఉంది ఇప్పటికే 4 minutes లేట్ అయింది.
ల్యాప్టాప్ ఇస్తావా ఇవాళ ఇది ఎత్తుకొని పోవాలా
ఇంటర్వ్యూ లింక్ కనిపించలేదు.
ఆడబెట్టిన ల్యాప్టాప్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ కాదా అక్కడ పెట్టాలంటే
లాగిన్ అయిపోయి వెళ్ళిపోదాం అంటే
ఆల్రెడీ తమ్ముడు అన్నప్పుడు తమ్ముడు
రాగలిగాడు.
ఆహా.
మరి ఇక్కడ రాదంట.
ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ మనం చదువుతుంటాడంట.
ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఉందా ఇప్పుడు? అవును. ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఉందా?
అక్కడికి తీసుకొని పోతావా, ఎట్లా తీసుకొని పోవా? ఎప్పుడు నేను తీసుకొని పోనా?
పద.
ఆడా. ఓకే డా.
త్వరగా పద, త్వరగా పద.
నువ్వు కదా.
మళ్ళీ అటాక్ చేసుకుంటాం.
దానికి జాలాడుతూ ఉంటే సరే బాబు.
ఎందుకంటే ఆ కొత్త వాళ్ళందరినీ డ్రాప్ అవ్వకుండా
లింక్ పెట్టమని చెప్తున్నావు, నాకు లింక్
ఏం
పెడుతున్నాను.
లింక్?
ఇంటర్వ్యూ జరిగింది.
సేమ్ లింక్.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్లు పెడుతున్నారు, స్క్రీన్ షాట్లు పెడుతున్నారు. ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు, ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు. మీకు ఆడికి మెసేజ్ చేశాను.
పవన్ ಅವರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮೋರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅದರಿಂದ
ఉందా? ఒకసారి కాల్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ కావాలని చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు చేయమంటారు.
ఏమని అడిగిన టైం?
ఏమంటలేదు.
హాయ్ రామ కోటేశ్వర్. హాయ్ డీజే. యా. Yeah. No worries. I'm fully free. Okay. Okay. Correct. Yeah. Yeah, difficult. Yes. Okay. Okay, so big vendor will distribute all the stock to small things. Okay. Custom like no custom application is related to which modules roughly? Yeah, even Oracle ERP, Oracle Fusion, these are regularly I'm working. And anyway, you mean to say that it's a ERP only, right? Not the complete other application. Okay. So you mean to, sorry, database? So you mean to say like there are various ERPs in the market, but right now you are not going to hire for Oracle ERP. Okay. Okay, but how I'll get that particular KT, knowledge transfer and options, different, even tables, structure, everything will be different, right? Okay, okay, then fine. No, no. Okay, sure. And how long this project will go? No, yeah, yeah. My point is like how long this project will go? Then, correct, correct. Okay. Mm. Correct. Okay, yeah, all ERPs are same. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Not a problem. No, no, nothing like that. It will be interesting. I'm having experience in Oracle applications as a technical consultant. I worked in SCM modules like PO, inventory, OM, and finance module like account payable, account receivable, general ledger. I did my BCom in the year 2012 and I'm working with this Keras. Prior to that, I worked for EY and Data Quarter. And my project is the 4 meter box company recently. And I worked with State Farm and other clients, SYSC, Price and Goods Trading, ESCO. Those are all various other clients. I worked in interfaces, conversions, workflow. Those are all the areas I worked on mainly. Like the ERP wise, reports, interfaces, all those I worked on. So right now, actually, my almost assignment is over also, like, and my company is, it's a Terras Tech it is. Prior to that, I worked for Ernest and Young and then Data Quant. These are all the three organizations I worked on. Uh, 7 years. Yes, it's regular process. It is like packages, procedures, functions. Triggers will not work. Triggers will not work much, but procedure, package, function, those are all regular. Yeah, yeah. OER solve, OER line solve, and then WSS delivery details, WS new deliveries, WSS delivery assignments, and we'll do like shipping all these tables. And RA customer TRX all, RA customer TRX lines all will apply cash receipts that AR cash receivable, AR receivable applications. And subledger XLA headers, lines, even distributions, transaction triggers. And GLJ header, GLJ lines, GL balance. So those tables actually. Okay to pay like PO headers all, PO lines all, PO line locations all, PO distributions all. And RCV separate headers, RCV separate lines, RCV transactions. And per requisition, PO requisition headers all, PO requisition lines all, PO rec distributions. And then for payment, AP checks all, AP noise payments all. AP payments schedules. And same the rest, the subledger, XLA headers, lines, events, distribution links, those kind of things. Usually, the prior communication will not be there, so definitely we should not take straight away. We'll intimate with the reporting manager. And then if he approves or if he gives permission, then we can proceed further with that work. Definitely we can take it. Okay, then we'll take it up immediately. We'll send email saying that we started working on it. And then we'll work and we'll give updates in the tool system or whatever. Business, yeah, directly, we are interacting with the end users. Yeah, correct. Business users, like, once we speak with them, they will give inputs. That inputs we have to keep it to documentation first. Or we'll upload into the tool it is. Microsoft, what is that? Is that the ticketing tool? Yes, yes. I'm a computer, yeah, I'll be able to see that. Yeah, correct. Yes. Yeah, procurement application. Yes, yes, for every task or what it is. Okay. Yes, yes. Mm, Visio, what is that? Proposal, is it? As of now- as of now- as of now, I did not get a chance like this, then no problem. Like, if I get an opportunity, then I can work. Correct. Sure. May I know how many interview rounds will be there further? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Sure. Correct. I can join immediately because I'm on bench right now. Maybe probably 1 week to get all this exit formalities. Yeah, I'm good with it. Okay. And may I know like DJ full form? Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah, they'll not be able to pronunciate. And it seems you are from Andhra Pradesh, right? Which area it is? Any idea? Like you're native, right? I just wanted to know. And yeah, I'm from Devarapalli actually. Sure. Thanks for that. Nice meeting you. Okay. 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 So right now, like, from which company I'll get a salary? Okay. 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 Correct. Yeah, that's fine. I'm good. Okay. Yes, correct. Yeah, thanks a lot. Yes. Bye.
వెళ్ళొచ్చా కంపెనీకి?
Hello.
So this is a voice call interview.
Yeah, this is a voice and road.
So if it's a voice interview, you'll talk to it directly.
Correct. So actually, whenever I'm in interviews,
Yeah.
my mind will be frustrated always.
Yes, yes.
So whenever we have anything need to discuss, prefer WhatsApp because you know, right?
Yeah.
1 hour continuously I talked.
Yes.
Then immediately without going washroom also I came here.
Yes.
So that's why I'm saying, don't chase me, okay? So
Okay.
you have to put messages.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm frustrated right now because
Okay.
almost 1 hour, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I need a break also.
I just came to.
I know, you want to discuss about PF, all
No,
those,
no, no, no.
but there must be
Just
a
to
time
see
for this.
interview.
Okay, to see interview, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah. Why are you calling? Tell me every time. Remove my number from your database. I cannot speak, right? Oh, sure. I will speak. That's what I told you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I mean, please, please. Yeah, yeah.